Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you are new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I am super excited to show you what I am packing in my baby's hospital bag, so let's just get right to it. So the bag that I chose as my hospital bag for the baby is my 12 Little on-the-go backpack, and it's because it is a little bit large, so I have room for my camera and my tripod and extra things just in case. I don't know if I'm gonna do a labor and delivery vlog. I'm probably gonna be too afraid to do that, but I will be taking pictures of the baby, so I want to have that with me. So this bag has a back zippered pocket right back here, and it's really large, and in here all I have is a little folder. This is empty. This is for all of the papers that you get when you have a baby, because you get a ton of papers, so it's nice to have a little folder or anything where you can have them and they won't get lost or all scrunched up. And I love this back pocket for that because it feels like it's going to be nice and slim and perfect for all those papers. And that's the only thing I have back here right now. This bag also has a double zippered function where you can put this on top of a rolling suitcase, but what I did is I actually am going to use it as a pocket. The only thing I have right now is this copper pearl burp rag. This is in the bloom print, and this is just in case when we are on the way home from the hospital I need to clean her up or anything. I don't think that I'll need them. I don't really remember needing any of these when I had my kids, but just in case. So that goes right back in here. The front pocket is empty because I am going to be adding my, as I said, extra batteries and chargers for my phone, not my phone, for my camera. I don't have anything in the side bottle pockets. Okay, so for the main compartment, it's not even completely full. I have this on top, and this is a nice warm blanket. I am going to have my baby in July, but I remember freezing when I had my babies, and the room was so incredibly cold. My husband had 3 sweaters on and he was still freezing. My mom had 2 sweaters on and she was freezing. My daughter had to be taken away because her temperature dropped. It was that cold. I don't know why on earth they had our room so freezing cold, but I want to have this just in case. In this hospital they also keep it really cold because we live in West Texas and it's super hot. They might keep the room really cold to keep that to keep babies from overheating. I don't know, but I want to have this just in case. In this back pocket I have 2 cute bows. This is from an Etsy shop and I'll have it linked below. They're so cute. I love these so much, and they coordinate with 2 outfits. I also have this web bag, and this is just to toss in her dirty clothes if they even get dirty. After she's worn them, I can have it in here and know that I need to wash it when we get home. That fits perfectly. I'm gonna leave the bows out so you can see how they coordinate. In this pocket right here, it's really big, I have a 10-foot charger. This is for my phone. I might be taking my portable charger, my Kate Spade one, or even get a better one just in case. Even this won't cut it, but I think we'll be good with this one. I don't have anything else in that pocket. And then in the one next to it, this is the Pat Pat. This is by Ryan Rose. It is a pacifier and teether. It's so cute. It's the clear one, and it also has a cutie clip attached. You can pop this in like this, and it's easier to store in that pocket. I am not opposed to pacifiers. I was very grateful for them when I had my kids, so I'm taking them just in case. I also have her super adorable Wubbanub, and it also has a cutie clip attached to it. This is my favorite. I'm hoping she likes this. And that's it for these 2 pockets. And there's a long pocket right at the back. That's where I have my swaddle blanket. This is in the June print. This was a gift from my parents. And this is to swaddle her up in case I want to take pictures, because I do have the matching hat. It's right here. So if I do take pictures, this is most likely what I'll be wrapping her in instead of the hospital blankets. But I did use them for my kids. They didn't really hate them, so I plan on using them again. It's not a big deal. Okay. But this is the swaddle blanket. Right here, like in the middle, I have my nursing cover. This is a I think 5-in-1. It's called cover. It's a shopping cart cover, it's a car seat cover, a nursing scarf, a nursing cover. So these are awesome, and it's also in that bloom print. And I don't think I'll use this at the hospital, but I want to have it so I can put it over the car seat when we have to go to our car, because it's super sunny here and I want to protect her just in case it's super windy, because we do get really bad wind here. And then I have this. I highly recommend you get these just in case. They're not expensive. You can get just one and have it on hand in case you do need it. I ended up needing these when I had my kids and I had no idea of their existence, and these are nipple shields. I think these are by Lancino. I can't remember the brand. Yeah, it says it right there. It's Lancino, and it has two, and it's in their own little case. These could come in handy if you have an inverted nipple or a flat nipple. If you happen to have either of these can help a lot. So it doesn't hurt to have them in there. And then I have two outfits. I have this copper pearl hat, and it goes perfectly, or at least I think it goes perfectly, with this onesie. This is from Target. It has little unicorns and castles, and it's just very cute. It has the little included feet, and also it flips and turns into mittens. But I did get mittens just in case. These are, I think, by Gerber, and little tiny socks. And I think that they look pretty cute together. So this is one of her outfits, and her coming home outfit is this one. I think it's adorable. It's again that copper pearl June top knot hat. I can't remember if that's the right name, but yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's the copper pearl hat that matches with the swaddle. And then I have this super adorable onesie, a pair of cute pink socks, and these little mittens also by Gerber. They came in a 2-pack. So this is what she's probably coming home in. We live, I think, 10 to 15 minutes from the hospital. It's really close. It just takes us longer because we live on post and it's a super slow drive. But yeah, that's her second outfit. And that's everything I am taking for her, nothing else. I don't feel like she needs anything else. I don't plan on cutting her nails at the hospital. So that's why I have the mittens and the onesies that flip over just in case. They give you like bulb syringes and things like that. I don't think that I'll need them. I didn't need them last time, so I'm hoping I don't. So that's basically everything I have for her in the bag. So now I have to pack it all back up. I think I forgot to mention that the bows also coordinate with the two outfits. So if I want to take pictures and use bows instead of a hat, I can also use these. So that's everything I have for my daughter. I know that I am packing pretty minimalistic, I think. You might disagree with that, but I feel like I have everything I need. If I were to have a C-section, I would definitely just call my mom and have her bring an extra onesie or pair of socks or anything that I might be missing. If I end up having a VBAC, I think I am pretty set. I live super close to the hospital, so my husband can also go back and forth and get me things if I need them. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button before you go. And if you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.